Tired of fuzzy CAD prints? See how Canon imagePROGRAF TC-21 fixes it fast. Ever felt like your large format printer is plotting against you, churning out blurry lines that make your CAD drawings look like abstract art gone wrong? You're not alone in that frustrating grind, staring at smudged blueprints while deadlines loom like storm clouds. If this hits home, drop a comment with your wildest printer horror story. I bet it'll make us all laugh or cry. But here's the spark. What if one compact beast could flip the script on your technical printing woes? The Canon imagePROGRAF TC-21 isn't just a plotter. It's your witty sidekick for crisp, monochrome mastery that feels like a breath of fresh office air. Picture this. You're buried under an avalanche of AEC deadlines, stress spiking like a caffeine crash, and burnout whispering, "Just quit," as another roll jams mid-blueprint. Those endless hours tweaking fuzzy outputs, they steal your spark, turning creative flows into chaotic firefights. Sound familiar? Imagine reclaiming that control without piling on more tech headaches. A seamless shift to high-speed, razor-sharp prints that whisper, "I've got you." If you're wrestling with plotter unreliability right now, this could be the game changer that turns your workflow from frantic to fluid, one effortless sheet at a time. Enter the Canon imagePROGRAF TC-21, the compact 24-inch desktop powerhouse that's redefining technical printing for architects, engineers, and GS pros who demand precision without the bulk. This isn't your grandpa's clunky plotter. It's a sleek, Wi-Fi wizard with a 5-color pigment ink system, grays and blacks tuned for flawless monochrome gradients that make lines sing and text pop at 2,400 by 1,200 per inch. Picture Sarah, a harried architect in a bustling firm. One jammed morning, she swapped her old color beast for the TC-21's auto sheet feeder and dual roll holders, churning out A1 blueprints in 25 seconds flat. No more ink spills or setup sagas, just that satisfying hum of victory. Its Energy Star efficiency keeps costs low with 130 milliliters tanks that last through high-volume marathons, while the tiltable touchscreen and animated guides make onboarding feel like cheating. And the sensory thrill? Those vibrant, bleed-free maps unfolding like a secret map to buried treasure, evoking that intuitive rush of, finally, it just works. Tease alert. Stick around to the end for a bonus trick on media switching that saved one user's entire client pitch, your mini reward for enduring the pain talk. Now, let's talk the real magic. The Canon imagePROGRAF TC-21 turbocharges your efficiency, sharpening focus on what matters, innovative designs, not printer babysitting, while boosting performance to pro levels that make colleagues jealous. Users rave about ditching downtime. One AEC analyst quipped, "It's like the printer read my mind. Those grayscale renders are so smooth, no banding in sight, and ink costs plummeted 40% overnight." Influencer tech reviewer Alex from Design Hub echoed, "In my studio tests, the TC-21's robust media handling switched from bond drafts to coded finals in seconds, saving hours I'd rather spend sketching." Real users chime in too. As a small engineering shop owner, it transformed our schematics from good enough to gallery-worthy, crisp lines that wow clients every time, shared Mike, a verified buyer. Even skeptics who worried about its monochrome focus, they convert fast. Thought color was essential? Nah, this grayscale beast handles subtle terrain details and GS maps better than my old setup with zero fuzz. Thousands can't stop buzzing about it on forums. Why? Because it blends wired Ethernet reliability with wireless freedom, letting you print from your tablet mid-brainstorm. Which TC-21 feature would rescue your craziest deadline? Comment below and let's swap war stories. Feel that pull yet? The quiet confidence of prints that demand attention, like a well-honed tool in your hand, urging you to create bolder? Limited spots left on this wave. Join the 5,000 plus pros who've leveled up their large format game with the Canon imagePROGRAF TC-21 before stock vanishes into the void. Experts like those from Print World analysts confirm its low TCO and high volume reliability make it a no-brainer for AEC firms chasing edge without excess spend. Don't let another blurry blueprint haunt your nights. Snag yours now and unlock that exclusive media handling hack in the setup guide. Your secret edge for prints that turn heads. Comment yes if you're ready to plot your comeback, then click through to transform your workflow today, because waiting? That's just more frustration in disguise.